How to share files on IMO. Ever needed to send a document, a PDF, or a audio clip to a friend on the IMO, but weren't sure how? It's actually super simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just few steps. First things first, let's open the IMO app. It's right over here. Once you're inside it, you'll be directed to the chat section. From the chat section, select the person you want to send the file to. For example, I want to send a file to for this person right over here. Let's type on it and go inside the chat. Once you're inside it, you'll be seeing a plus-like icon on the message bar. It's right over here. Let's tap on it. And that will provide you an option called a file right over here. Let's tap on it. And it will be providing you an option for the photos, videos, audios, documents, apps, archives, and many more. So most of the items here are not available because there's 0 item inside it. Now what you can do is simply tap on this phone storage if there's no any on these sections that you can see right over here. And if the videos, documents are right over here, no problem. Just select it and it will be providing you the list of all items that you need, and just tap on the one that you want to send and send it out. So I don't have much items right over here. So now let's go to the phone storage and files. From here, let's tap on the documents. And here you can see the documents I do have. Let's tap on the first one maybe. And it's sent. And that's it, you have just sent out the file. This is perfect for sharing the things that aren't just photos or the videos. What kind of files do you want to share most? Let me know in the comments below. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.